In this tutorial, we will be discussing the pass control keyword in Python. The pass keyword is used to indicate an empty block of code. It essentially tells Python to do nothing and move on to the next line of code. Here we have an example of a function called empty_function. As you can see, the function is empty and does nothing. It's just a placeholder for now. Let's take a look at how we can use pass in an if statement. In this example, we use pass in the if statement when x is less than 10. Since there is no code to execute when x is less than 10, we use pass to indicate that the block of code is empty. If x is greater than or equal to 10, the else statement will execute and print x is greater than or equal to 10. Now let's see how we can use pass in a loop. In this example, we use pass in a for loop. Since there is no code to execute in the loop, we use pass to indicate that the block of code is empty. And that's it. That's how you use the pass control keyword in Python. It's useful when you need to create a placeholder for code that you plan to fill in later. Thanks for watching.